In basso, eh? Vai, vai, vai. A tutti auguro buona domenica e buon pranzo. Arrivederci. Salutate, salutate.
Birds of prey, doves released in the Vatican as a gesture of peace, are immediately attacked by vicious seagull and crow. 2 white doves released by children standing alongside Pope Francis as a peace gesture today were attacked by other birds. As tens of thousands of people watched in St. Peter's Square, a seagull and a large black crow swept down on the doves right after they were set free from an open window of the Apostolic Palace. One dove lost some feathers as it broke free from the gull. But the crow pecked repeatedly at the other dove. It was not clear what happened to the doves as they flew off.